The coach, you won the game. What happened during the day?
It's most important 3 points today because we play against club who is all the time very difficult for us, especially when you are away. And of course, they had a lot of talented players, and they are composed as a team, very good coach, and they show it today. Very good style of playing, good organizing, and I know that it will not be easy. But our biggest problem was from the beginning because we didn't score from our first chances. Of course, after that you come to second half with let's say not nervous, but you have to you have to perform again, pressure and score goal. And after our biggest chance in the match, of course, sometimes we have to be punished, like our opponent today punished us, and they scored for 1-0. But congratulations for my players how they came back and how they achieved this result.
Thank you. So, how are you going to prepare the next game against Magash?
Yes, let's say tomorrow we have to see. Uh, Instead of our team who will recover so fast and will be ready to play after 3 days again because this is our third game next in the last few days. But of course we have to prepare ourselves best as we can and to play again very tough game.
Coach, we are already in the transfer window in April. Do you plan to come up with new players to strengthen your squad? How many players you want to in which positions?
It's all the time. Winter time is difficult window because most players are done in summer, and it's not easy to find what you need, especially when as up here in giant club, and the needs of our club. It's not easy to find in winter window, but of course that we try to find solution for some positions and try to find good quality for especially for our offensive players.
Coach, congratulations. Firstly, my question is, in the second time, you wanted to remove Ruboneka Basco on the pitch, but we saw the captain Claude come to claim not to remove him, and in the end, he win. Was it what he was telling you not to remove Ruboneka, or is just another thing maybe he have been
Yeah, I
telling you?
understood, but it just depends. To change the system of play that we want to play with two strikers because we have one in the middle line. You have only Basco who start match. And you have two
Okay.
fresh players, Dauda and Dante. Logically, Basco should go, but Claude warned me that Arsene got kick in his ankle and he can't continue. In that moment, he was showing me Arsene, but I didn't saw it. And at the end, it was I didn't change Bosco because he's playing. He was very good today actually, and he can play in the last 90 minutes. But just because we're going to put second striker in our game, it was reason. But at the end, thanks to Bosco because he scored today and he gave us
Okay.
today one.
We have seen the Hakim Kiwanuka and Dennis Omedi, the new players from Uganda, are already done deal to play for EPL.
No comment yet. About that. You will know.
But they were there. They were there around.
Okay, you will know next days.
What, there is any update about your striker who got the injury? I mean, Victor Mahoma.
Yes, he's here, but he started training a bit before yesterday, but still training with medical staff, not with the team. It will last minimum 3 weeks more, and after that start with the team. It depends about his physical condition at that moment when he will be back.
Thank you.
Take a